In the previous video I showed how to remove an object using the color page. Now I will demonstrate how to remove an object using a patch on a Fusion page. This method is also available only in a DaVinci Resolve Studio. Add the clip to the timeline and switch to Fusion. Add patch replacer node. In the viewer, two circles will appear. One defines the source area, and the other defines where what image will be applied. This method works best with static shots and evenly textured surfaces. However, with property setup, it can also be used in more complex scenes. To learn more about the capabilities of DaVinci Resolve, subscribe to the channel.